Hello my dear friends, my name is Sanjay Thakur and all of you welcome to in this video tutorial. In this video tutorial today I am teaching you HTML, and this video is especially for the beginners. I will teach you all the basics tutorials of HTML for the beginners. So let's start now. Especially this video is focused those which are studies in 8th grade, 9th grade and 10th grade, 11, 12, and especially those who are interested to create a website and HTML through the HTML. In this video I will teach you how to create a how to use the HTML, how to use the syntax of HTML. Let's now start. And most of the important thing of this video is today I am using all things through my mobile only. So if you are interested to learn HTML through the mobile, this is right place for you. So let's start now. Now I am already installed one applications that name is HTML code play. All of you search in Play Store and please install it. If you install the HTML play code HTML code play application, then please open this. If you open that applications, the background of this application is like this. Then we want to learn the HTML. Then if you click then you are click here learn and HTMLs. If you open the HTML HTML applications, you see if you click the three dots here, so many tags are given here already, and we are using these tags and create the simple things and learn HTML. So and already simple code is given here, so we are delete and so many tags are given here, you see, and we use these tags and create a simple things, and we want to learn what are the basic syntax of the HTML. So let's start now. First of all I want to delete all this given code, and I will teach you what are the main syntax of the HTML code. First of all, in HTML there are only 5 tags are there. First tag is HTML tag. This is the main tag of the HTML HTML language. It is not a programming language, but it's a hypertext markup language. It is used in to create a websites and many more. First of all we are using HTML tag, HTML tag, and every tag is work on two, open tag or close tag. So here we are using close tag HTML, and if we write already, then we are again here is head tag. Again we are using close head tag. Between the open and close head tag we use title tag. Sorry, title head tag, and here we can use body tag. This is the main syntax of HTML. You see, first of all we start HTML open code and close open HTML and close HTML. Between the head open head tag or close head tag. Between the open head or core tag we use title head, open title tag or close title tag, and the between HTML, open HTML or close HTML, we are using open body tag or close body tag. All the nodes, these are 1 2 3 4, these are 4 tags necessary to use in this HTML language. So all things we are using in the only body tag, all nodes, all things are given only in body tags. First of all, here I am using title, so I use the basic tutorial. So, and let's start first of all we are using heading tag. So how to use head tags, let's start. See output, nothing is given here. No, if we are using heading tag, let's see heading tag h1. Here we use introduction. See output, introduction came here. No, then between the all things we are using only body tag, but heading tag is also we can use between the above the body tag also. Okay, now in heading tag, in body tag I am using paragraph. For the paragraph we can use paragraph. My name is Sanjay Thakur. See the output here. My name is Sanjay Thakur came. No, here I put it is my first tutorial. It is my first tutorial. See output, it is my first, Sanjay Thakur, it is my first tutorial. If I want it is my first tutorial in second line, so what to do? Here we can use break tag. Here we can use break tag. Break tag means BR, symbol for BR. See the output here. It is my first tutorial came out in outermost in second line. If I want between the my name or introduction or horizontal line, so then what to do? Then here I am using here one horizontal line. Horizontal line means HR, horizontal line. See the output, horizontal line came here. No, if I want horizontal line more width or more in size or red in color, then what to do? Then we are put here width (200). Then see output, see width is 200. If I want width is 2000, then see here, so, this line is infinitely going to the 2000 width. If I want here size of this horizontal line is size of this horizontal line is 20. Then see output, this 20. And if I want this horizontal line in red in color, then what to do? Then color, color equal to red. See output. Oh, sorry, color here spelling is wrong. Color means you are not color. Sorry. See, here color is color is red. If I want here if I put here I put here this, it is very important for beginners, then output is not come. Oh, sorry, important is come. See, if I want here one horizontal line, then what to do? Here also we can use one horizontal line, HR. See, horizontal line came now. Then here if I want here one horizontal line in another color, CO color green, then what to do? We are put here green. See output. See, more inside. If I want more inside, then size equal to 30. See, size in 30. All things. So all of you, thanks for the watching. Here in this video I am using syntax of HTML, paragraph tag, heading tag, and the horizontal line tag, and how to put the horizontal line in color, how to put the width, size, etc. Thanks for watching.